In order to begin using Turnitin.com, you're going to need to create an account for yourself. In order to create an account for yourself, you're going to need two pieces of information from your teacher, which is the class ID and the class enrollment password, and then you're going to need to know your exact email address. So to begin, you're going to go to Turnitin.com and you'll get to a screen that looks like this one, and then you're going to go over to the section at the top that says Create an Account. And after you click on Create an Account, you're going to be brought to this screen over here. You're going to scroll down to the area where it says Create a New Account, and you're going to select Student. Now again, here's the information required in order to create your account and enroll you in your teacher's class so that you can submit your paper. The class ID is going to be a 7-digit number provided to you by your teacher. You have to make sure that this number goes in correctly. And then the class enrollment password, which will also be provided to you by your teacher. The rest of the information is going to be your own personal information, your first name and your last name and your email address. Now you're going to be using your school email address, and you have to make sure that you type in your email address correctly. If you don't type it in correctly, if you happen to forget your password, you're not going to be able to retrieve it because it's not going to send a message to the correct email. So be very, very careful when you're typing in your email address. Then the extension of everybody's email address is at lynbrook.k12.ny.us. So it will be your first initial followed by your last name, and if your regular computer login has a number after it, that will also be the same in your email address. And then when we come down to the password, you're going to set a password for yourself. I would suggest that you use the password that you are currently using to log into the computers at school so that you don't have another password to remember. And you're going to type this password in twice, and then you're going to scroll down and select a secret question. Just in case you do forget your password, you'll be prompted with your secret question. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to agree to the terms of use, and you're going to click I'm at least 13 years of age and click I agree and create profile. Okay, once you've done this successfully, you should see the class that you enrolled in, and here's the class ID. Your teacher has given it a class name, and you will see your teacher's name at the top, and you will see that your status is active. So this is how you will create an account. In another video, we will go over how to actually submit your paper using Turnitin.com.